Hello everyone, welcome to Questions of this week.
I'm Alina.
I'm Rebecca.
Today we have collected some frequently asked questions from last week. Before starting, Rebecca, let's play again to decide who is the host and who is the guest.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I win. I will ask you a few questions. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, these questions are not very easy ones, but I think you can handle them properly.
Let's get started.
The first question, what is your lead time and how long do I need to receive my order?
On our online shop, we offer 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours lead time for auction. We will send out within the lead time you chose, so please don't worry. For rush orders, you could choose the fastest 24 hours lead time. And sometimes we will offer same-day shipping. That means we will send an order you approve production within our morning time 9 a.m. We will send out same day 6 p.m. About delivery time, it depends on your shipping way and location. For instance, if shipping and clearance goes well, FedEx ship to USA or Canada will take about 5 to 7 work days, while UPS will be faster, about 4 to 5 work days. And as for Australia, UK, and New Zealand, DHL will take about 5 to work days as well.
Thank you, Lina. Your answer is very detailed. The next one, how to approve my artwork and will your designer confirm that everything is good to print before production?
Oh, that's a good question. As you know, CFM offer free hour service for our customer. Once receive your order, our designer will begin to adjust and make the hour accordingly with the layout and color matching. After finish, we will send you a link to check the digital proof, and after receive our approval, the order will be sent to production directly, always under digital management.
Thank you. It will be very helpful. And the last one, if I have some complaints, how to deal with them?
CFM always work together with each of our customers to find a feasible solution to each problem. So you can just issue your dispute online telling us what has happened and showing us some photos if possible. Then your dispute will be delivered to our sales rep. They will work with you to solve it, or you can just send emails to your sales. Then we will get a solution with you as well. If you are still fail to get a satisfactory solution from us, you can just copy or send emails to our boss, Kelvin. So please don't worry.
Thank you, Alina. Okay, that's the end of today's Q&A. Hope to see you in our next video. If you like our videos, you can subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, you can comment below the video and your questions may be picked and answered in our next episode.
By the way, you can find this Q&A in our help center. Bye.
Bye.